How to install dropshipping app on Wix. Let's first head over to our apps and then click on this app market. Now, once we're on our app market, we should be able to see in here in this. So here's our app market hook. Just head over and search in here on the search bar for dropshipping. So they also have a lot of dropshipping apps right here on your Wix. So for example, we have our Spocket, Syncki, Dropshipper, Dropcommerce US Dropshipping, Velocity, Amazon, and some well-known such as Sub Dropshipping and this Desers, Modelist, AutoDS, Importify, and a lot more. As you can see, there's a lot of actual apps that you can install. So once you have actually get some or you want to install some, like for example, this Desers, you can head over and click on that particular application. And then from in there, you can see this at the site. Head over and click on this add to site option, and then this will actually enable you to show onto a new page or a new window wherein it will install this. Click on this agree and add option that you can see right here. And then from in there, this will add this particular application to your website. So you just need to head over and then sign up if you don't have an account for that particular application yet. So that's how you install dropshipping app on Wix. Hope we help.